Welcome to All Things Money, your go-to source for personal finance and budgeting tips. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and wondering where all your money goes? In this video, we'll show you 5 easy steps to cut your monthly expenses in half and take control of your finances. Step 1. Create a budget. The first step to cutting your monthly expenses is to create a budget. This means tracking your income and expenses and identifying areas where you can cut back. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to keep track of your finances. Step 2. Cut back on eating out. One of the easiest ways to save money is to cut back on eating out. Make your meals at home, pack your lunch for work, and limit your trips to coffee shops and restaurants. You'll be surprised at how much you can save. Step 3. Cancel unused subscriptions. Are you paying for subscriptions you don't use? Cancel them. This includes streaming services, gym memberships, and any other subscriptions you're not using. You can always sign up again later if you miss them. Step 4. Negotiate your bills. Many companies are willing to negotiate their prices if you ask. Call your cable, internet, and phone providers and see if you can get a better deal. You can also try negotiating your rent or mortgage payments. Step 5. Shop smart. Finally, shop smart to save money on your monthly expenses. This means buying generic brands, shopping sales, and using coupons. You can also buy in bulk and meal plan to save money on groceries. So, by following these 5 easy steps, you can cut your monthly expenses in half and start saving more money. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your finances and build a better future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to All Things Money, ATM, for more personal finance and budgeting tips.